안녕 친구들! As you can see behind me, today I'm at the Naver Webtoon Offline experience and we're gonna experience a lot of things today. As you can see from the stuff, you can already see Yumi cells. But apart from Yumi cells, we also have Tower of God, Horangi, Tiger Brother, True Beauty, and I don't know the other two. So I think I'm gonna learn more about it once I go in. And let's go in. I'm sure a lot of you don't know, but like webtoons are now the new like Hallyu wave. From Cheese in the Trap to now Yumi Cells is about to launch in I think 2 weeks. A lot of webtoons have been turned into dramas. I'm sure all of you know what drama this is. Okay. Hands. It's 5 now. Okay. Shoes. Where are shoes?
This way.
Oh, okay. I think it's this one. Oh. This is gonna be hard. So tough. Whoa. Phobic me is inside this doing this. Okay, Daniel, let's start. So same position cannot be on the same wall. So let's look at the position. The highest has to be on the left. The highest has to be on the left, like that, from the left. So here 1,000. So this 5,000 can be here. Don't go up there. I think I got that right. Okay. And then on this wall is 2,000. So 2 high ones. Oh, I think we got that right. What? Press our hands. What did? What happened? What do we need to do next? Ah, I'm not good with things like this. Oh, we're in the second room. I see padlocks. How do we open it?
There's a key.
Wait, is that a key? Oh yes, that's a key. Okay.
How do you get it?
Okay. They're one of Daniel, we can only use one. We can only use one. We can only use one. The big dog.
So, 2 of them.
Quickly, no time. This one? This is too obvious to be the door.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. We won. Yeah, we came out with it. 4분 안에?
5분.
5분 안에?
네.
open on it, please. Okay.
저희가 이거 참가하시는 기념으로 카드 드리고 있거든요.
오, 그래요?
원하시는 카드 있으시면 말씀해 주세요.
다음.
다음 드릴게요.
네, 감사합니다.
하나 뭐.
Why is this so big?